Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new, welcome. This is the spring or Easter cloche challenge, and we're starting right now. DIY number 1. You're gonna need one of these garden bowls. I had that in my stash, one of these candle stands, and a cake plate. And I took some Waverly chalk paint in plaster, and I'm covering the silver section of the plate. Then I dried that with the heat gun, and then I applied some clear wax just to cover or to protect that, and then added some hot glue. This is so easy and quick. You'll see. And I got this little bunny figurine from my 99-cent store. This is a wood mushroom that I got from woodpeckers, and I painted it. I also painted those little bunnies and these little carrots. I'm taking my orange paint pen and I'm going to paint these. I then took the gold paint pen or marker, and I just scored some little lines on that. You know, you see those little streaks on carrots. Yep, those are my streaks. And then I had this red craft sticks, and I needed to join the carrot and the bunny together. So I cut those down and I glued them on the back side, or the sides that's not going to be showing. I just glued on a piece there to hold both of them together, and that's done. And I did that for all 3 sets. Now here I am now styling the cloche. So I place my little bunny figurine down, the mushroom, and then I am gluing down the carrots and the bunnies just so that they can stand. I got this little jute ball, added that. Now this is a little communion cup. I decided to save it because I know it would come in handy. And I had this rose that I made from air dry clay from Crafter's Square in the silicone from Amazon. I made that and painted it with some tea rose, and then I just glued that on top of the little knob or handle. And then I added some flowers to the cloche, and it needed a little bit more moss, reindeer moss. Now guys, all of these things I had in my stash. I went shopping in my stash for this video, and I found everything that I needed. And then I took one of those little burlap bowls, glued that on the front, and that's it for this one. This is a spring or Easter cloche challenge hosted by Tammy from Happiness Created and Shawnee from Glitzy Stitches Home DIY. Now these ladies, you have to check out their channels. They are super talented. I will leave their links in the description box below, as well as the playlist. Now we're on to DIY number 2. Now of course I forgot to press record, so I missed where I was showing you what I was going to be using for this one, and a sheet of this decorative napkin. I don't know what happened, but this I'll just explain to you. So as you saw, I used the tip of the paintbrush and I just damped the sections and separated the plies, and then used a sponge brush with some Mod Podge and applied that to the outside of the plate or the bottom of the plate, and then used the heat gun to dry it. And once it was dried satisfactorily, I removed the edges and then dried it some more and dried it some more. And then because I wanted to have a flat surface or a dry surface to put the candle stand down, I traced out a piece of cardboard and cut that out and then glued it on the top of the stand. And then I applied the hot glue to that and glued that down. And now my stand is ready. And like I did for the first one, I'm going to be just showing you how I decorated this. But before I did that, I took a baby wipe and I just wiped that down. And of course, again, I forgot to press record. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what was happening that night, but I was very tired. So what I did, I took one of those little metal pails from Dollar Tree. And to give it that spring feel, I added some sunflower paper flowers and added the other mushroom that I painted and this straw ball, and wrapped a piece of, as you saw me doing, glued a piece of sunflower ribbon around the pail. And then to hold the cover on top of this, I applied a little glue, hot glue, around the two edges or two sides. Now this is just a temporary hold because of course I want to be changing this around for other seasons. So guys, let me know what you think about my two cloches in the description, in the comments down below. And now we're ready for the final reveal. Here is my Easter cloche. If this is your first time to my channel and you love budget-friendly content like these, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And make sure to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Don't forget to check out the host channels as well as the playlist in the description box below. And to enjoy more budget-friendly videos, I suggest this one right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time. Bye!